Power wash time. Gotta power wash the shit out of this. Inside, we're just gonna do the inside because we're only gonna paint the inside. Yeah, it's what, January 6th or 7th or something? I don't know what the date is. School starts Tuesday.
Something like that.
I know the days of the week.
Yeah.
It's cold, so I got the waders and the rain jacket on. Let's get it. Power washer wouldn't work. Get the hose. Boat's back in here. We got the paint and everything, slowly drying it off. I got this area dry though. And as you can see, there is some rust buildup just kind of all around it. I think it's because the water kind of just got trapped in here. Before I put normal paint on it, I'm just going to go over with the self-etching primer. Same stuff I used yesterday on the back for the transom mount that just kind of, as it says, stops rust. Helps prevent rusting any more than it already has. So yeah, just same shit. Oh yeah, I should probably put a mask on. Be wise with me. Alright, there we go. The fumes clear out. And I'm kind of just going to do that in every single one that needs it. This one, besides for down there, it isn't as bad, so I'll just hit the areas with that, and then we'll get started on the actual painting. Alright guys, basically done painting the interior. It looks freaking awesome. You can't really tell right now, nor can we, but I know it'll look great. Jackson's just finishing up the last final touches. Just the areas we couldn't hit with the rollers, and then I ran out of spray paint. There's some areas like that. That I'll brush over really quickly. It was still just a little wet.
Yeah, we got another coat.
Yeah, and then we're also just gonna do a second. But yeah, so if I just show you. We're leaving the insides unpainted because we're not sure what we want to do with them. These obviously got like the anti-rust agents on them, the primer. But yeah, all in all, you just look at it from here, it looks a lot better than obviously what it did. Anyways, I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Take some nice video of it. And I mean, yeah, that's really all we have planned for tonight. Because it's going to have to dry overnight. We're going to hit it with the second coat. Eventually, I don't know. Either tomorrow or in the future. And then I'll have to fill in holes on the outside. Just extra stuff that needs covered. And then paint the exterior. And then we can actually start going to town on this. Building the frame and everything. But anyways, thanks guys for watching. And I think I have enough footage for a video. But if not, I'll just catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, what's up guys? First coat is completely dry. So at this point in time, Jackson's not here, it's just me. I'm gonna start painting the second coat. And then I'm headed out for the weekend, so I won't be doing anything like this at all this weekend. But then after that, should be the exterior, which means I gotta fill in the holes first. But yeah, that doesn't matter though. I mean, whatever happens in this video happens in this video. But those are the future plans. But just for right now, my plan for today is simply to just paint a whole second coat on this entire thing and make sure the inside, other than the walls on the inside of these and stuff, like these walls, those walls, the floor, make sure it is all completely covered. finished the boat. Interior paint job. As of now, I'm like I said, I don't know like what's gonna need fixed or not, but I'm gonna be gone the entire weekend. I'm gonna let this thing dry in here. Then Monday or Sunday, depending on what time I get back Sunday, I'm gonna wheel this baby out there into the sun to get like a good idea of what this really looks like and if anything else needs painted. What's up, guys? Back for another episode of Feel the Burn Fishing. Well, it's the same video. Next day. Painting the exterior of the boat today. So Jackson's wiping it down. After that, yeah, it's paint time. So I'll catch you probably on the big cam. Little time lapse action, maybe. I don't know. We're getting after it. Get a shot of just my hands doing it.
We're gonna fuck it all over the place.
Yeah. Alright guys, basically done with the first coat. Just going over this. Like the area we can't really hit with a roller because we might mess it up, so I gotta do it by hand. It's hard work. Check it out, guys. First coat is completely dry. It's the next day. What's up? Jackson's not here, but I'm about to hit it with another coat. Probably gonna do 3 on it just because it's the outside and I want the paint to be as durable and long lasting as possible, obviously. And we have a lot of it. Like a gallon is, I mean, to do the interior of this boat, which includes like walls and stuff, which is way less than just this. Like not walls, but like the benches. We went through like with 2 coats, 2 good coats, just like 2 pint cans of that black stuff. And obviously this is a lot more and we're just doing the exterior, so just trying to utilize resources, obviously. But I'm gonna throw up the big cam and just do a little time lapse for you guys because I'm obviously by myself, and I'll get back to you after I paint the second coat. Guys, second coat is finished. Take a look now. It dries pretty quickly, to be honest, so that's a good thing, hopefully. Third coat after this, obviously, and then flip her back over and frame time. Although I won't leave any spoilers for that, other than telling you that that's exactly what we are doing next. But yeah. Alright guys, so like to leave off, didn't really film like the third coat thing because it didn't really matter. I mean, you could see what the boat was going to look like in the first place, and also just kind of would have made it drag on more. But anyways, I obviously finished it today. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Feel the Burn Fishing. You got a lot of good stuff coming, hopefully. I'm trying to figure everything out with like a metal company to buy a bunch of stuff that I need to help completely build the frame of the boat. But hopefully, just hopefully, will that like go smoothly, which I'm assuming or hoping it will. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to find other companies and so on. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Like and subscribe, of course. Leave a comment below, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Feel the Burn Fishing. Peace.